Hey, good morning, wonderful world of YouTube and wherever you might be watching this video. My name is Emeka. 3 things I do for you, help you increase your income so you can take back your freedom, so you can live your ultimate lifestyle. It is Saturday morning. It is 9 a.m. I've been up for two hours. And what have I been doing in those 2 hours? Well, finishing some breakfast here. I got coffee number 2. And just been grinding away, working on the business, talking to the mastermind, and just prepping some things. I got 10:30 my time. Me and my assistant, we have our weekly call and go through the week and what we got coming up this week. And I got some other stuff on the calendar. I'd have to look to see what it actually is. But I wanted to talk to you about what you're going to do over the next 48 hours, because these next 48 hours can determine how much faster you reach the ultimate lifestyle, how much faster you reach your goals, your dreams, living the life that you truly want. The fact of the matter is, those of you who are still doing the 9-to-5 slave grind, if you're still doing that and you're not maximizing the next 48 hours the best you freaking can, no excuses, just nose down, head in the books, getting it done. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're spending 40, 50, 60, 70 hours a week at your job. You have 2 full free days to do exactly what you want to do. Exactly what you want to do. Oh, but Emeka, I need a day off. Fuck that. You don't need a day off. Don't be a little bitch. As Grant Cardone says, don't be a little bitch. You don't need a day off. Days off when you've actually earned it are 10 times more exciting than days off because you've been too busy helping somebody else achieve their goals that you're letting yours die. No days off until you accomplish what you want. And hey, if you're happy working for somebody else and putting your dreams on hold so you can help their dreams come true, that's what a job is, then hey, all the power to you. This is probably not the best channel for you. But those of you who are serious and you want to leave that 9-to-5 and you want to be able to have the freedom. I took my daughter, we went to her afternoon music lessons yesterday, and then we just came home for a bit. We played on the mat, played in the Mickey Mouse house, and then we watched some Daniel Tiger for a little bit. And that's kind of an adorable show. She was staring at the sun for a little bit too. She's like, "Oh, it's Luna." I'm like, "No, sweetie, that's the sun. Don't look at it." She's like, "No, it's so pretty." I'm like, "Stop looking at the damn sun." So she's too exploring, ruining her eyes. But bottom line is, you need to buckle down over the next 48 hours. You need to work on your craft. You need to work on your goals. You need to work on, if you're publishing, you need to do everything you can to learn as much as you can over the next 48 hours. Because what you do now is going to help you get closer to your goals. When I was still working my 9-to-5 job, back in the day, a year ago or whatever, a year ago, okay, I had one specific rule for Mariana. Do not ask me to do stuff on the weekends. Don't ask me to do anything on the weekends at all until I quit my job. That was the only rule we had. And it sucked. Sacrifices. I've missed family events. And of course, for the big ones, I was there. But I missed a lot. I missed a ton because I was just in there grinding away all weekend, all day Saturday, all day Sunday. Right? I take them to her parents, drop them off, pick them up in the evening. All Saturday, all Sunday. Because then we could afford to do stuff like this. Oh, you missed the picture. We could take a trip. Hopefully that came up on camera. We could take a trip, and the passive income was paying for the trip while we were on the trip. That was one of the first times I took some time off. And you need to have that mentality, right? This whole notion of, it's the weekend, I should take it easy. This bitch talk. There is no easy. Take it easy when you've earned it, right? But I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Why? I don't care if it's Christmas, I don't care if it's New Year's, Easter, Sunday, Saturday, or whatever other day. It's 7 a.m. every single day. Why? Because I don't want to fight my body. I just want my internal clock to be set. Now, it's usually like I wake up around 20, quarter to 7, right? The internal clock. Because I don't have to fight my body. Right? If you're waking up and you're doing this weird thing, oh yeah, I wake up at 6 on the Monday to Friday and then, I sleep in a little bit. What are you doing? You're confusing your clock. You're confusing your internal clock. So it gets all confused. So you start waking up at different times and you're getting tired. It takes you longer to get up. Right? Yeah, you can tell, hell, I probably got some sleep in my eyes, stuff. I had to get this video out. I didn't really care how I looked. I'm still wearing my Canadian hockey pajama top type of thing, and I want you to get this message. Weekends are not your time to take the foot off the pedal. Weekends are your time to grind, especially today's what, June 2nd. What does that mean? We got a whole month. The new month has started. I love the beginning of the month because now I have to work 10 times harder to beat what I did the previous month. So every single month I can continue to have my best month ever. That's what should fire you up. Every single new week, you should be like, I'm gonna get more done this weekend than I did last weekend. Because if you do that over and over and over and over again, guess what's gonna happen at the end of the year? You're gonna have your best year ever. So I really hope you take this into account, that this weekend are the 2 most important days of the week for those of you who are still working for somebody else, helping somebody else accomplish their dreams, and yours are on hold. Use the next 48 hours to start chipping away at that chain and boulder, ball and chain that's wrapped around your neck. Start chipping away at those golden handcuffs so you can start accomplishing and living the life that you've always wanted to live. I'm a Mecca. If you need any help, reach out to me. There's resources inside the description of this video. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Facebook, just message me or go check out the YouTube video descriptions for all the resources that I have available to you to help you accomplish everything you want to accomplish. But I'm excited. This weekend can be magical. Let's get it done. Till next time, everybody. We'll speak to you all soon. Take care.